good evening. Well, it's early evening, and you may not know this, but today is actually World Digestive Health Day for 2019. Same day, I think, every single year. And I think it was set up with the aim and its mission to provide a focus on a specific digestive disease. Now, to me, rather than focus on diseases, every day I'm seeing clients in my clinic with all sorts of symptoms, and I'm sure some or many of you may be experiencing digestive symptoms on a day-to-day basis, either embarrassed to say anything to anyone, you're going to the GP, you may not get any particular straightforward help and advice, may even be told just to go away and live with it. But to be honest, to me, every day should be World Digestive Health Day, because so many people are having to live with these conditions and symptoms, and quite frankly, why should we have to put up with it? So I provide a lot of help and support in my clinic to my clients on this topic, because I don't feel people should have to live with these symptoms day to day. Next week, you may be aware, or maybe not, but next Thursday on the 6th, I'm actually going to be doing a webinar, and I plan to do more of these. The topic of next week's webinar is simple and effective tips to help reduce IBS symptoms. So please register and sign up for this. I'd love to see as many of you on the webinar as possible. It's free. It's 30 minutes at 7 p.m. Thursday the 6th of June. I'm hoping you may pick up something new that you won't have heard of before, something else to consider, or it might remind you of something that perhaps you feel and think you might ought to be doing and you're not doing it on a regular basis, and it might be the thing that makes all the difference. So I really hope to see as many of you on the webinar next Thursday. You do need to register on Zoom. You can also find the link on Eventbrite as well. So enjoy the rest of your World Digestive Health Day, and I will speak to you again soon.